Okay, hi everyone. Today is May 7th, 2015, and let's take a look at the charts here. So we had a buy trade that we wanted to put in at 112.85, and you can see that the market did not get there. We just didn't get there. Now, we had a big reversal candle that was formed right in that vicinity, but the market decided to continue to move down. What we're going to look for is 112.15 for a buy here. We're still in a buy bias here on the euro dollar, and you're probably wondering why we're in a buy bias. If you really look at, kind of this pattern that we have here on the weekly, you can see it better on the daily most likely. It's kind of a W formation that really broke the high, stayed above the high, retested it. So inevitably, even if we come back down here, it's like the market really wants to continue to move up. We've broken out of our pennant right now, right where we are at 112.20 in that vicinity. That's really going to retest this area of support and resistance that we have. So it was resistance, now it's support, and we're going to wait and see what the market does here, like literally right here at 112.20. If the market bounces off of that and continues to move up, we could see the market continue to move up to about 118, which is about 38.2, the 38.2 fib, and the pod too strong. If we see the market go up to 118, we still, barring of course unforeseen circumstances, changes in the fundamentals. The fundamentals right now are telling us that we want to sell the euro. So we're going to continue to watch for fundamentals, see if there's going to be a shift in the fundamentals. But right now we're just looking at a retracement, a lot of profit taking, which is normal in a move of this size and this magnitude, and we're going to keep moving forward. So right now we have a buy trade at 112.15 on the euro dollar. We have two more calls here. Another one is going to be the dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss, we're going to look for 93.50, which has a pod to be strong. It's got a trend line that's there in that vicinity as well. That we're going to look for to use as an area of resistance to sell off of that area and come back down in the market, because we're looking for a sell on the dollar Swiss. Of course, we have quite a bit of room to get there to 93.50, but with the kind of fluctuations and the news that's been coming out recently, we've seen major shifts in the market. As far as the pound dollar is concerned, so again on the dollar Swiss, 0.9350 for a sell. Pound dollar's had a lot of movement. We had a massive move up here from 152.50 all the way up to 154.50, and right here at 154.50 you can see the market turns right back around and really starts moving down a bit here. Just a lot of movement. There's been a lot coming out in the news. Clearly good news, as the market reacted with a 100 pip move straight up in just the last few minutes here on the pound dollar. We're going to be looking for, on this pound dollar, probably more of a move to the upside. We don't quite have a trade for it right now, so watch for a further move to the upside from what we can see right now, where we are, and the overall shift, the retracement in the market against the dollar. So we'll watch for that on the pound dollar. We'll have to get a trade there going. We don't have any other calls for anything else besides the euro yen. We actually got a very strong call on the euro yen. And as you can see here, you can see the market really coming down quite nicely. We're going to be looking for a bouncing point, and that bounce point is going to be right where this trend line is, and it's going to be about the 133.50 area, which is going to coincide with where we expect the 50 EMA is to be at on the 4 hour. Just a lot of confluence that we have here on the euro yen at 133.50. So we're really excited about that trade, and so we're looking for a buy at 133.50 on the euro yen. Guys, those are our trades. We have a buy on the euro dollar at 1.1250. We have a sell on the dollar Swiss at 0.9350, and we have a buy on the euro yen at 133.50. With that, I wish you all the best and happy trading. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.